Hello friends, today I want to do belts. And the belt, so the alternator's right there. There's a belt. Cannot get into it from the top. There is actually an engine mount right there. There's a coolant tank. Not a lot of room. So how do we do this? Well, it's actually pretty easy because there's a little bit of a secret compartment, if you will, in the wheel well. Alright, to remove this, looks like a 10 mil. Yep, 2 10 mils. And a clip. Yeah, so let's get a screwdriver. Pull, pry, and it'll come out. Alright. What else do we have here? Another 10 mil on the bottom, 2 10 mils on the bottom holding it. I'm just comparing them to make sure they're all the same size, which they are, so I don't have to worry about keeping track. No, actually they're not. The ones on the bottom are a little longer, hard to see, but this one came from the bottom, these are from the sides, but easy enough to track. This one doesn't want to come out easily. Just the card on it. Should be it. There's a little tab here that needs to be pried up. Alright, this panel comes out. Okay, so I have a little bit of access to the belts, but not a lot. Alright, I ended up taking out the fender liner. It's just a bunch of these clips. I thought that secret compartment, so to speak, was going to give me a lot more room to access the belts, but it didn't. So the tensioner is a 17 millimeter. That's way up there. Loosen that, or you don't loosen it, you just rotate it actually. Counterclockwise. We always set it up, remove this belt, figure out how to remove this other one for some water pump. This is the AC compressor. That's the tensioner. We're not replacing the tensioner, we're just loosening the tensioner to remove this belt, the accessory belt. Alright. Alright, the new belt, part number PO81599C.